The journey begins where ripe fruit meets the hands of harvest.
Every harvest moves quickly toward industrial transformation.
The raw harvest leaves the field for the factory ahead. Fresh produce travels fast to preserve every drop of sweetness. Every load enters under strict timing and coordination. The first transfer begins the factory's seamless flow. The raw fruit enters the line where automation takes control.
Inspection begins before the first cleansing stage.
From the farm to steel machines, the transformation starts now. Under pressure and water, the harvest enters its first purification.
Clean fruit advances deeper into the production line. Surface cleaning prepares each fruit for automated inspection. Technology decides which fruit continues the journey.
Only the best fruit moves toward extraction.
Inside the factory, every system moves in perfect sequence. The cleaned fruit reaches the heart of the process.
Precision alignment ensures every cut is exact.
The fruit opens, revealing the sweetness inside. The first cut leads directly to industrial extraction. The fruit breaks down. The crushed harvest becomes a river of raw juice and pulp. Mechanical force moves the fruit deeper into processing. The factory isolates liquid from every solid trace.
Waste is removed as the pure product moves ahead. The extracted juice gathers before refinement begins. The first filtration smooths the product for precision processing.
Pressure drives the liquid through the factory's hidden veins. Before treatment, every batch is measured precisely. The raw juice now enters the factory's controlled transformation.
Heat stabilizes the juice while preserving its natural flavor.
Every degree is controlled to protect quality and freshness.
Balanced ingredients create the signature taste. Homogenization perfects texture and uniformity.
Now refined, the juice moves toward its final form. Every container is purified before contact.
Final staging prepares the juice for exact filling. Precision filling ensures consistency in every bottle.
Automation aligns every detail at high speed. Each bottle is sealed to preserve freshness. Packaging secures products for transport.
The final stage of handling begins with automation.
Automation ensures accuracy in bulk handling. Each load is verified for exact measurement.
Samples are taken to ensure consistent quality.
Inside the lab, science takes control.
Texture is measured to maintain perfect consistency. Safety is verified at the microscopic level. Safety is verified at the microscopic level. Packaging strength is tested under pressure.
Only approved batches move forward. With quality assured, the product continues its journey. The finished product enters large-scale storage.
Each pallet is secured for safe transport. Heavy loads move efficiently across the facility. Dispatch preparation ensures timely delivery.
And this is how modern factories produce banana juice from start to finish.
Sealed and ready for the journey ahead.